Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. I have 3 other channels. You can find them in the descriptions below. Feel free to check them out. Plenty of stuff to watch. I want to thank my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson and Blake, legend boys. If you want to be a legend too, head over to Patreon for exclusive videos and talk to me live. Or if you're broke like me, I get $1 for every 1,000 videos watched. So next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe even your goldfish might want to watch. So until next time, you all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!
Techno.